Dear children, now we are going to learn conversion of rupees into paise and conversion of paise into rupee. How to convert the money into paise. Okay, let me see. With simple, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So the given rupee is multiplied by 100 and you have to get the answer as paise. Okay, let me see with example sum. Okay, that is now our topic is conversion. Okay, conversion of rupee into paise. Okay, that is conversion of rupee into paise. Here the formula, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So therefore the given conversion of rupee, the amount rupee is multiplied by 100, okay, to get the answer as in paise. Okay, so the question is conversion of rupee into paise, that is rupees, okay, 90, and second one, that is rupees 15, and third one, that is rupees 100. Okay, convert into paise means you have to simply multiply this 90 into 100. The answer, because of the multiplication of zero ended number, is it will be very easy to you. That is, you have to multiply this number, that is 190, that is 90, and put the 20 here, that is 9000 paise. Okay, this is the answer. And next one, that is 15. So same like this, you have to multiply it by 100, that is 115 into 15 and make it as a 20, put 0 here, and this is a 1500 paise. Okay, and rupees 100, that is into 100, that is 1 into 100, that is 100, put a 20 to the right of the answer, that is 10,000 paise. 1s, 10s, 100, make a comma here. Okay, 1s, 10s, 100, make a comma, 1s, 10s, 100, and okay, that is 90 rupees, which is converted into 9000 paise. So the question number is in a rupee, that is you have to multiply the number by 100, because that is 1 rupee is equal to how much paise, children? 100 paise. Okay, and 15 rupee, that is into 100, answer is 1500 paise, and 100 rupee, that is 10,000 paise. Okay, and next we conversion of paise into rupee. Okay, that is conversion unit from, that is paise into rupee. Okay, let me do with the example, that is conversion of paise into rupee. Okay, that means same formula, that is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That means 100 paise into what? That is 1 rupee. So the given number is, that is divided by 100. So when you convert, if you convert the paise into rupee, okay, you will divide the given question number by 100. The answer will be the in rupee form. Okay, do you understand? Because that is 1 rupee is 100 paise for paise conversion. For rupee conversion, you have to divide the number by 100, because that is 100 rupee is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, so now the first question, that is we are going to conversion, convert the paise into rupee. Here that is 19, that is 1945 paise. Okay, this is the question. And second one, that is 2008 paise, and here 3050 paise. Okay, how to convert this number to, that is rupee. Okay, that means you have to divide the number, that is 1945 by 100. Okay, by simply you can divide the number, that is a zero ended number. You can multiplication also and divide also very easy to you for, that is a ending number, that is 100, because here that is 1945 divided by 100. That means you have to put the dot after the 2 digits. Okay, because here the 20 itself. So simply you have to make a dot ones and tens, that is 19 dot, that is 45, because 2 digit. This is the answer, that is 19 rupee 45 paise. Okay, so conversion of rupee, that means here 19 rupee. Okay, this is the answer. And for this 2008, you have to, that is 2008 divided by, that is 100, because of conversion into rupee. Again you have to make a dot here, that is rupees. Okay, make a dot and 08 for 100, because of 20 here itself. So make a dot, that is rupees paise. And here that is 3050 divided by 100. Okay, is equal to, that is 2 digit at all. Okay, rupees 30 dot, that is 30 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, that is the 19 rupee 45 paise, 20 rupee 8 paise, and rupees 30 rupees 50 paise. Okay, if it is, that is conversion of only, that is paise. Okay, and already that is conversion of, that is rupees into paise. One more example sum, already it has a paise conversion, and again you have to add the paise. Okay, I will show you one example sum. Okay, so this is a simple method. By dividing 100, you have to convert the paise into rupees. Okay, and here one more example sum, that is conversion, convert the rupees into paise. Okay, that means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. This is a formula. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Convert the rupees into paise. Okay, the question is rupees 510 paise. Okay, here that means it has a paise unit also. How to change the rupees and paise? Here that is 1 rupee is equal to 100, therefore 500, you have to multiply the 500 into 100. Okay, the answer is 500 and add to 0. Okay, this is a paise unit, and already it has a 10 paise itself. So you have to add this 10 paise also. Okay, so 500 plus 10 paise, conversion of paise, first multiplied by 100, you got the answer, that is 50,000. 1 tens 100, 50,000 paise. It already has a 10 paise, so you have to add this number, that is 0, 0 plus 1, 0, 0 and 5. That is 50,000 10 paise is the answer. That is the conversion, convert the rupees into paise. The answer will be the unit, that is paise. Okay, if already it has a paise unit in addition to the rupee, find the answer and next add this paise unit to that your answer and get the paise unit. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, this is a method how to that is a conversion from rupees into paise. Simply you have to multiply the number 100, and for conversion of paise into rupee, simply divide the number by 100. Without division, you can write down the answer after putting 2 digit, afterwards make a dot, and the left side denote the rupee and right side 2 digit denote the paise. Okay, and let me move on to the next word problem in addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, with example sums. Okay, let me see. That is word problem. Word problem or story problem or statement problem, anything you have to say the term as word problem. Okay, for first we are going to do word problem with addition and subtraction. Okay, that is a word problem. Okay, I am going to write question. Okay, that is Raman, okay, has 1000 rupees. Okay, Raman has 1000 rupees in his pocket. Okay, he went for shopping. He went for shopping. Okay, he bought shirt. He bought a shirt for rupees, that is 570. Okay, he has 1000 rupees in his pocket as a total money he is having. He went for shopping. He bought a shirt rupees 570. Okay, and a tie for rupees, that is 200, and okay, snacks for 110 rupees. Okay, rupees, and a tie for rupees 200 and snacks for 110. Okay, how much money did he spend in all, and how much money he is having now? Okay, this is a story problem. It's a even and to calculate the amount. Okay, first you have to read the question twice. Okay, read carefully and do it as a word problem. First, Raman has 1000 rupees in his total amount. 1000 is a total amount. Okay, and he went for shopping. It's a story, and bought a shirt rupees 570 and a tie for rupees 200 and snacks for 110. So total he bought 3 materials, 3 things, that is a shirt, tie and snacks. Okay, and how much money did he spend in all means you have to add these 3 numbers, that is cost of shirt, cost of tie and amount spent for snacks, that is 110. Totally you have to add these 3 numbers. Okay, and you have to find the answer. Okay, that the amount is a total amount he spent in all, and from the total amount he is having, that is 1000, you have to subtract these addition and add an answer and find out the remaining left of the money he is having at last. Okay, first we are going to write the statement. First, that is cost of shirt. Okay, I am going to write here, that is cost of shirt is equal to, that is here put the column, that is rupees and paise, because of the rupees paise unit, make it as a 2 divided column. You should first put it in a column, that is a rupees paise format. Okay, that is so important, and that is 570, and here no paise at all. Okay, and cost of tie. Okay, cost of tie, that is rupees, how much, that is rupees 200. Okay, put in the rupees column, here and no paise at all. Okay, and that is snacks. Okay, that is spent snacks amount, that is 110 rupees. In a rupees column, put the number in a correct format, children. 110, no paise at all. First you have to add these three numbers. Here no zero, that is 0 only. Just put 20 and make a dot for rupees paise format. And again that is 30, that is 0, and 7 plus 1, that is 8, and 5 plus 2, 7, and 7 plus 1, that is 8. That is the total amount he spent. This is a total amount, that is rupees 880 rupees. Okay, and total he is having only 1000 rupees. And find out the last question, how much money he is having now. So you have to subtract the number from the 880 from 1000. Okay, he is having the pocket, that is 1000. He spent 880 during his shopping. Okay, so you have to subtract the number. Here I am going to do this subtraction. This is addition, and the total money. First he is having total money, that is rupees 1000. Here rupees and paise, that is 1000 for paise, and he spent for shopping. During shopping he spent, that is 880 and paise. Now you are going to this subtraction. Okay, and 0 and 0, make a dot, and 0, that is here 0 minus 8. You have to regrouping from this 1000 place. Okay, that is 9, this is 1 is 10, and 10 minus 8, that is 2, and 9 minus 8, that is 1. So the remaining amount, that is 120 he is having now. This is a leftover money. Leftover money, that is rupees 120. Okay, no paise, that is rupees 120. So this is a combination of word problem, addition with subtraction. So you should know the where is it is necessary, that whether it is a addition sum or subtraction sum. You have to read the questions twice or thrice, children, and let it make it as confirm this is a total means, that is addition, and the remaining leftover money means you have to subtract the number and put in the, because of the rupees paise, make it as a correct format. You have to separate the number in a rupees column and write down the paise in the paise column. Whether it is a paise, it has 50, 15, anything else, that is you should put the paise column in the paise format only. Okay, and then make it as a addition, 3-digit addition. Okay, and make it as a subtraction also, make it as a proper order and rupees paise column format, and normal subtraction sum. You have to do this and find out this answer. Okay, do you understand? And next we move on to the word problem of multiplication and division. Okay.